Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance fixes in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into the Kenmore Washer Error Code 14, specifically for 2025 models. If your washer is flashing this code and leaving you with a pile of wet clothes, you're in the right place. Let's get straight to it. First off, what does Error Code 14 mean? In Kenmore washers from 2025, this code typically signals an issue with the water inlet system. It could be a problem with the water pressure, a faulty inlet valve, or even a clogged hose. Don't panic. Most of these are easy fixes you can handle at home without calling a pro. To start troubleshooting, ensure your washer is plugged in and the power is on. Step 1. Check your water supply. Make sure the faucets connected to your washer are fully open and that there's good water pressure. If the pressure seems low, it might be a household plumbing issue. Try running other taps to test. Next, inspect the inlet hoses. Look for any kinks, blockages, or leaks. If you find any, straighten them out or replace them if necessary. Now, for a quick reset. Unplug the washer for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This often clears temporary glitches. If the error persists, you might need to examine the pressure switch or inlet valve. These components can get faulty over time, especially with hard water buildup. Refer to your washer's manual for exact locations, but generally, cleaning or replacing the valve can solve the problem. Remember, always disconnect the power and water before working inside the machine for safety. Once you've fixed it, run a short cycle to verify everything's working. To prevent this error in the future, regularly maintain your washer by cleaning filters and checking hoses every few months. There you have it, a simple guide to beating Kenmore Washer Error Code 14. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep those appliances running smoothly.